Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this adorable little Peanuts crochet kit that I got from Ollie's. Now this kit, I only paid $3.99 for it, and it was regular price $24.95. And look at how adorable this is. And here's the back of the box. I have not opened this yet, so I can't wait to see what's inside. So this kit shows you how to make Charlie Brown, Sally, Lucy, Linus, Franklin, Peppermint Patty, Marcy, Pigpen, Schroeder, Snoopy, Flying Ace, Snoopy, and Woodstock. That is so cool. And I bet you this is probably enough to make Snoopy and Woodstock, but let's take a look at the inside of the box and see what we have inside. Okay, I'm getting ready to pull it out of the box. And we will see what this kit entails. I'm really excited because I've always loved the Peanuts. I mean, who hasn't? Snoopy, Woodstock, and the gang. Okay, so what I thought was pretty cool was that they actually included a couple of crochet hooks. So it comes with 2 metal crochet hooks, and one is a 5mm and one is a 4mm. And these are just nice little lightweight crochet hooks, and I think they would work well. And then it also comes with these skeins of yarn. Look at all those. And then it also comes with some embroidery thread and a needle. And the best part is the pattern book. Here's your pattern book. And this is Peanuts Crochet, Create 12 Beloved Characters. I mean, this is a nice thick little book, and it's 76 pages of patterns in this book, and it will teach you how to make all of your little favorite characters. Like here's Marcy. Here's Woodstock. So here are the pictures of the characters that you can make with this kit. Look at Sally and Pigpen and Lucy and all the other characters. Aren't these just the cutest? And there's Schroeder and his little piano. Look at how cute these are. So I would say check your local Ollie's and see if they happen to have this in stock. I think it's adorable. I'm really excited to have this kit, and I can't wait to start making some Peanuts characters. And as soon as I do, I'll make sure I show them on my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Laura.